Hello everyone, my name is Colleen. Peter and I run our digital media business here in Bracknell. We stretch our services across Berkshire, Surrey and much of West Sussex too. My part in the business is threefold. I offer websites, social media and lessons. With websites, I offer design, implementation and maintenance as well. For social media, I offer setup and maintenance. With my lessons, I offer to teach you how to maintain your online presence with your social media and your websites if a paid maintenance plan is not in your budget at the moment. However, my paid maintenance plans are reasonable and they're fair and they're very flexible depending on what you need from me and what you need from your online presence. WordPress is what I mainly use to build websites. I am now taking on Squarespace and Wix type sites as well if you are already set up. I look forward to working with you and helping you build your online presence. My details will be on the screen. Thank you very much.